Kit's Crows.
Ooh, it's a nice sunny day. Okay, I'm gonna walk up and start my walk. Oh, there's a magpie. Hi, friend. What you doing? I guess you need a treat, don't you? But I gotta get away from this house because I don't want you pooping on her car. Let's see, I'm gonna put it over here. Come here. Come on. Where's that crow? Hey, little guy. Okay. Let's give you a little treat right here. Woo. Yeah. Little treat just for you. Hey. I don't know where the crow went. I heard him. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, hi you. Are you the same one? I think you are. Did you finish your treat already? I was getting something out of my shoe. Okay. Well, since you're so cute and so patient, leave one more, the small one, because I gotta go see all the other birds. Bye-bye. Oh, there's Hagrid. He sees me. And there's Remington. The best boys. Okay. No traffic coming. Hey, boys. What you doing, Remington? You want to go in? What's up? Hey, boys. I'm gonna go on my walk. See you later. Oh, there's a crow sitting on the mailbox. What are you doing over there? Look at you. I'm gonna leave a treat over here because I bet you'll come over. You've been waiting for me. Just gonna leave it right here. Come on over. Yay. All right. Morning treats. Oh, hello. Yay. I didn't even see you. Oh. Okay. Well, I'll see you later. Kitty! I see a kitty. Hi, kitty. He's here to see the chickens, but hello. Kitty, kitty. Hi. Good kitty. Oh, I hear the birds. Are they gonna come over? They don't like kitties. I like kitties. You're one of the best kitties. Yeah, only the crows have found me so far. The starlings haven't seen me yet. Happy guy. Yes, you are. He's so happy. So happy. And you're so soft. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty with the pretty eyes. think some birds are starting to gather. They aren't seeing anything yet. I know I saw something fly by. I'm gonna get going. Yeah, I know you're gonna try and follow me, but kitties don't usually follow me more than a block. I gotta go see the starling nest next. Okay. Well, I gotta go, kitty. I know you don't want me to. Go back to watching your chickens. I gotta go. Yeah, see, there's a starling, but he sees the kitty. Look at the kitty. I just saw him run up the pole. I just saw a sparrow go into the corner of that building. See that? So there's a nest in the corner as well. They want treats. 1 second. Okay. Big treat. So we can feed those babies. Ooh. Yay. Sparrow. Oh, they'll be back. They know what time it is. This guy, I don't know if he's aware, but it'd be cute if the sparrows started joining. Alright, well, they'll get it. The starlings are going over here. I think they're going to meet with me. There's a crow flying around somewhere too. Come on over here. See, they're following me. Come on. I want to put it over here at least. Hey, crow. Here you are. We got at least 2 or 3 starlings making noise. There. Here you go. Oh, they really want it. So bright. Oh. They're like, wait, that was ours. Okay, guys, I'm going to put another treat right here. Hang on, let me zoom out. Here. Here, over here. Over here, come on. Oh, they'll find it. I hope. Someone will. Alright, time to keep walking. Well, this crow's been waiting for a bit, along with a starling friend, it looks like. Oh boy, it's so bright. The sun's in my eye. I gotta get in the shade here. Woof. There we go. Now I can see. It's getting in the shade of the building. I'm gonna go back over here and leave your treats. There. Oh, it's right behind me. And there's the starling. Hi. Yay. And there's the other one. Who's that? Alright, I'll see you guys later. There should be a little bit left. Yeah, I see Smoops with a treat. So everyone gets some. Go join them. See you later. Hey, I know you. 1 second. I'll leave a treat. There. Just a little one. Woo. Yeah. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna continue my walk. They'll finish it quickly enough. Oh, and that crow. He saw it. I think. There's another one. Hey, you did see it. It was a small treat. As long as someone finishes it, I'm happy. Oh, crow just came over. Hey, there you are. How you doing? There's a whole bunch of starlings over there too. I'll get you a treat. Hang on. Let's put it kind of out of the way so vehicles don't bother you too much. Okay. There you go. Let's see, starlings get it first. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna get home now. Starlings are coming over. So we're gonna put a treat at the nest. I see you. Sort of. It's bright. I hear ya. Ooh. Okay, guys. There. All right. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna get going, and they're gonna enjoy their nice little breakfast. So we're back at the chickens. I see a few of them. I got the sun in my eye. Hang on. And I just saw this guy fly up. What you doing? 1 second. I'll leave a treat here for you. Okay. All right. There you go. Get it before your beeping friend does. Is that car coming up behind me? It's about to. Yeah, I'm off to the sides of the grass now. All right. Kitty! Oh, you silly kitty, let's go this way. Away from the birds. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on, kitty. Kitty, stop looking at the birds. Kitty, kitty. Oh, you cutie. Uh-oh, they let the dogs out. Let's go, kitty. Come on, kitty. Kitty, kitty. Ah. Kitty, kitty. He's not following. Oh, there we go. Kitty, kitty. Sorry, Mr. Crow. I gotta get the kitty away. Kitty, kitty. Oh, you sweet thing. You're dirty now. Alright, well, I left him a treat. I hope he gets it. You want to walk with me? Oh, I'm going to trip, kitty. Yeah. I know, the car's coming. Oh no, they turned. No. Oh, kitty, I can't walk if you do that. Oh, hi doggies. Kitty, kitty. Oh, 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 kitty. Yeah, we're going back to your house, aren't we? I still don't know your name. What is your name, kitty? Oh, I love you. You're so cute. Let's go. So, guy's trying to sneak up and trip me. Still there. Yes, you are. I'm gonna pet you a little more. I gotta go. I gotta go make lunch. It's like a late day for work. Good kitty. Who's a good kitty? Okay, I gotta go. I do. Yes, I do. Bye, kitty. Morning. Hey, Mr. Crow. I saw you fly up. One sec. I got treats for you. And you too. Okay, guys. Here we go. There. How's that? Yay. There's a car coming. So I'm going to go over this way a little. So, check on these friends again. Oh. Yay. Alright. Time to get myself some food. Let's cross the street. See, like being fed over here. You coming? There you are. Oh, I hear him up there. Okay, there you are. He moved. I'm stepping into the grass because they're coming. 1 second. I was thinking of putting a treat in the grass, but I don't know if you'll see it so well. You always get it anyway, pretty quick. So, a small treat there, which the starlings will get if you don't. Nice. There was a dove up there too. I don't imagine they've figured it out. They're kind of dumb. And, well, you can either get it or follow me. But I gotta go. I see a bunch of birds. Go over there and 2 magpies. Where are you at? I know you're up there. Oh, there you are. Hi, coming over. It's one on my roof. Hey, you. Come on over. Let's see. I'm gonna put it over here. Okay. Hi. I'm still trying to put it down. Oh, you're good. All right. Now it's a party. Now where's the guy on my roof? Is he gonna come down and join you? You're with a whole bunch of friends a moment ago. Whoop. Come back. Well, we'll have a crowd soon enough. I'm gonna get inside, I guess. Yay. Came back. Gonna have it all to himself at this rate. Oh, just as long as I clean up before I have to leave. Word got out. Yay. Our crow friends sure look healthy. Okay, I'm gonna go make lunch now.